Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install and configure .NET 8.0 in Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. I have a tutorial link, same document we have on the tutorial link. So I'm going to open this one. So here to install and configure the latest version of .NET on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS, follow the step-by-step guide below. So step 1, update the system. I have to access my Ubuntu server. So Ubuntu server I'm running on my VMware workstation. Let me access that. SSH dpt my user 192.168.224.129. This is the IP. I'm logged in with the SSH client. So first step is the update the system. So I'm going to update and upgrade the system. So run this command. And step 2, the install the prerequisites. Just copy this and paste it there. So installation is completed. Now I'm going to install the .NET SDK. So installation is going on. After the installation, we will just go through the verify the installation. To verify the installation, .NET install successfully, run the below command. So .NET space hyphen hyphen version. So it will give you the correct version of the .NET framework what we are running in the my Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So this is near about completed. Now I'm going to put that .NET / version to so this is running with the 8.0.110. So output will be the latest installed version of the .NET. Next step, configure the .NET optional. So configure .NET optional. So set up the environment variable if necessary. If you need to set environment variable for your .NET application, you can modify the .base rc or .profile files in the home directory. For example, you can do this one. This was optional, so I'm not running this one. Next, run the .NET application, create and run simple .NET application to verify that everything is working or not. So I'm going to create one directory that is a hello world. Inside, I'm going inside that hello world, change directory, and next I'm going to .NET console, new console, and I'm running that one .NET run. So you can able to get the output hello world. This will display hello world if installation is successful. So my installation is successful. Now try to create ASP.NET simple app with any common user. So I'm just running this one. So done. Now I'm going to the ASP.NET inside that file created, and next I'm going to run this one. So this is running with the 0.0.0.0 port, means this will be accessible with our IP address. My IP address is 129 192.168.1.224.129 colon 500. So same IP if I open here, then I am able to access the page. So this is my .NET page. This will be accessible on that. So in this video, we have learned how to install and configure .NET 8.0 or Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Not follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe, like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.